Hello, Williamstown. This is Joe Wiessner, South Jersey's favorite real estate broker, here to deliver insider knowledge you won't find anywhere else. If you care about making smart real estate moves in Williamstown, also known as Monroe Township, you're in the right place. Buckle up because I've got the key trends so that you can make informed decisions, and I promise you'll want to stick around to the end for my expert take on where the Williamstown market is heading next. Let's dive in. We're pulling back the curtain on the past 3 years of real estate trends to give you a crystal clear picture of what's happening in our local Williamstown market. By the end of this video, you'll know how the numbers stack up for single-family homes and townhomes right here in the Monroe Township area. First up, single-family homes. Take a look at the chart. The numbers don't lie. Total sales in 2024 hit 309 homes sold, compared to 320 in 2023 and 429 in 2022. Over the past 3 years, the number of sold homes has decreased by 28%. You can clearly see that the market volume has shifted over time. But sales volume is just the beginning. What about prices? In 2024, the average price for a single-family home was $385,000. Compare that to $340,000 in 2023 and $329,000 in 2022. Prices have jumped by 16% over the past 3 years, revealing some powerful insights into the market's trajectory. And of course, one of the best indicators of value is cost per square foot. Here's how that's changed. In 2024, the average price per square foot in Williamstown was $212, compared to $193 in 2023 and $176 in 2022. Over the past 3 years, home prices per square foot has increased by 20%. Price per square foot is the most heavily weighted metric that real estate agents use to determine value. Savvy buyers and sellers should do the same. It's the heartbeat of property value. Enjoying this content? Show the love. If you're finding this report valuable, tap that like button. Do you know someone who could benefit? Hit share. And if you want more videos just like this one, don't forget to subscribe. It's your ticket to staying ahead of the real estate market curve. Now, let's shift gears to townhomes here in Monroe Township and Williamstown. Check out the chart. Total townhome sales in 2024 were 68 units, compared to 83 in 2023 and 91 in 2022. Over the past 3 years, total sold condo volume dropped in Williamstown by 27%. It's fascinating to see how this sector of the market is evolving. As for average prices, townhomes in 2024 averaged a respectable $320,000 per unit, compared to $308,000 in 2023 and $250,000 in 2022. And when we drill down to price per square foot in 2024, it was $198 a square. In 2023, $184 a square. And in 2022, it was $165 per square foot. In this 3-year period, condo price per square foot has increased modestly by 20%. Townhomes have fared well versus single-family homes here, with values performing in similar fashion. There's a wide array of townhomes in Williamstown, varying from neighborhood to neighborhood. Distinctly, average prices are much higher at the Greens, Hamilton Greens, and Amberley. Who's your most powerful local real estate resource? Don't waste your time with Zillow or Realtor.com. If you want hyper-local information on the Williamstown real estate, visit Joe Wiessner's website, thinkw.com, South Jersey's most powerful real estate resource. You'll get full access to every active property listing in Williamstown, just like the real estate professionals would. These powerful links are in the description. Where's the Williamstown market headed? I'll unpack the trends and driving forces for buyers and sellers who need to know for 2025 and beyond. Here's my expert analysis for the Williamstown real estate market. As you can see, the total number of solds in Williamstown single-family homes and townhomes has dramatically decreased over the past 3 years. However, during the same time, sale prices have increased modestly, slightly more so with single-family homes as compared to the townhomes. The broader South Jersey real estate market is most certainly leveling off. As prices continue to increase, home buyers are having more difficulty with limited purchasing power. The inflation of home prices versus work take-home pay are not mutually exclusive. In 2022 and into 2023, there were many multiple offer properties. This is not the case in 2024. As a matter of fact, there was a real cooling in the market that began in late spring of 2024, around June. That cooling has persisted as we enter 2025. There are less properties being listed for sale, and there are less buyers in the market, but the ratio of sellers to buyers still remains about equal. My forecast for the Williamstown market in 2025 is that it's likely to be a continuance of current conditions. Stable prices at the already peak numbers, and about an equal number of sellers to buyers. But what is happening right now is the completion of the Greens condo complex, the over 55 townhomes. The 5-year property tax abatement there has proven to be a big buyer incentive, with only a few units remaining until sold out. More new construction single-family homes are being built right now on the corner of Malaga Road and Winslow Road. The new development is named Monroe Landing. Looks to be at least 150 homes being built there, starting in the low 500,000s. More new construction townhomes are slated for construction off of Glassboro Road. The development name is Blaze Mill. These units start in the mid 300,000s. Best bet would be to call Joe Wiessner Realty for any of this new construction so that we could represent you and your interest on the buyer side. Williamstown as a whole is continuing its decade-long growth cycle, attempting to balance an increasing population with new homes, commercial growth, and the inevitable stresses that growth causes, specifically on community services, including the Monroe public schools. The mix seems to be working right now, but there are some potential headwinds in the immediate economic forecast. Even with the new Trump administration coming in, which is strongly pro-growth, there's tremendous pressure building within the United States economy right now, namely the $37 trillion debt. Essentially, the United States is broke. The national agenda will be focused on deficit reduction and growth of the GDP, gross domestic product. It'll take some time to implement, likely a year, however. It doesn't happen overnight. It'll take some time to get the home mortgage rates lower, overall inflation down, and wages up. Due to these factors, I expect there to be some discrepancies in the Williamstown market for at least the first half of 2025, until the entire economy gets its footing underneath of it. Do you have any questions? Joe Wiessner Realty is here for you. We've got the answers. Email us, call or text anytime to 609-400-3035, or leave your comments below. We'll answer them. Our agents are standing by. Whether you're buying or selling, we'll connect you with one of our top agents to deliver the exceptional experience that you deserve. Thank you for tuning in. Stay informed and stay ahead of the real estate curve with our South Jersey market reports. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.